Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how Canva can be a game changer for creative teams. Whether you're working with designers, marketers, or content creators, Canva's collaboration tools can help your team work smarter, not harder. Let's explore how to use Canva to enhance teamwork and creativity. Setting up your creative team. The first step is getting your team connected in Canva. Go to your Glow Up dashboard and use the Invite Members option to add your team members. Just enter their email addresses. And once they accept, you're all set. Now, your team can collaborate on designs and share resources seamlessly. Utilizing the brand kit for consistency. Next up, let's ensure that all your designs stay on brand. Canva's brand kit feature lets you upload your team's colors, fonts, and logos. Head to the brand kit section and start adding your brand elements. This way, everyone on your team can easily access and use the same assets, keeping all your designs consistent. Collaborating in real time. One of the best features Canva offers for teams is real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same design at the same time. You'll see each other's edits instantly, and you can leave comments directly on the design for feedback. This is perfect for remote teams or anyone working on tight deadlines. Organizing your team's work with shared folders. To keep your projects organized, Canva lets you create shared folders. In the Projects section, you can create folders for different campaigns, clients, or projects. Share these folders with your team to ensure that everyone has easy access to the designs they need. This will help keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Managing permissions. If you need to control who can make edits or just view the design, Canva gives you that flexibility. Go back to the Share settings and you can adjust permissions. For instance, if you want someone to only view the design without making changes, switch their access from Can Edit to Can View. This is especially useful when you want to share the design with stakeholders who just need to see the progress. And that's it, Genius Junkies! Canva is a powerful tool for creative teams, offering everything from real-time collaboration to easy brand management. Start using these features today to enhance your team's creativity and productivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.